How to send emails in bulk for free. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can send emails in bulk using the Super Email Sender for free. So let's get into it. Now, in terms of email sending, you're going to be doing that for product marketing or general email marketing. And there are a lot of tools like MailChimp and other email marketing services like Wix's Ascent Email Marketing and DocuSend and a lot of those other email marketing tools. But what they don't allow you is to send bulk emails for free. And that is a huge limitation placed on most of them if you do not have any premium subscription. But today we're going to be downloading this Super Email Sender. Now, to get this Super Email Sender that is available for free, you're just going to go on h/supertools, or you're going to go on h/educate.com/super/email/sender, and then you can see over here this is the basic features page, and over here you can read up on all of the features that are available on this Super Email Sender. And you're just going to scroll down, and once you scroll down over here, you can see there is this download button. What you're going to do is you're just going to download this. Click on this download button, and then it will download a zip file once you get started. So the current most latest version that is available is the 4.1 version. There haven't been any updates so far after the 4.1, but if there are any by the time of this recording, I will leave them down below. Now, once you have downloaded this file, you can see over here a zip file is being downloaded. What you're going to do is you're just going to go into your home page. I'm going to go into my downloads, and you can see over here I have this Super Email Marketing Sender, and this is just a zipped file. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a right click on this, and then you're going to extract your file. So you can click on extract files, and you can select wherever you want to extract these files. Now, after you have extracted these files, you can see I extracted them over here. This is going to be all of the files, and what you're going to find over here is, don't worry about all these files, just scroll down, and over here you can see this application. So if you have your items categorized by type, you can see this is just a simple application, and you are just going to open your Super Email Sender. Now, once you open that up, this is going to be your Super Email Sender. Now, to log into and start working on your Super Email Sender, you're going to have to enter your license. And don't worry, this isn't some kind of premium subscription where you're going to have to buy a product key or a license key. What you're going to do is you're just going to go back onto your browser. Just open up your browser again, and then you are going to go on h/supertools.com. So you can see over here, I'm on the h/supertools.com page like this. And on the top, you can see at the rightmost, you have a more section. You're going to click on that. And then you have your Super Email Sender in the drop-down box. You're going to click on that. And you can see over here, you can get a Super Sender license, so Super Email Sender license. So you're just going to input your email address, and then you're going to generate your license. Now, your license will be sent to you in your email. So I'm going to open up my email, and I'm going to add my license into my Super Email Sender. It's a very easy process to get started on the Super Email Sender. A lot of people feel a bit overwhelmed sometimes with email marketing, but you don't have to worry about that. Just copy paste your little key like so over here. Enter your email, and make sure you're entering the email that you used to sign up on your web browser. I'm going to click on activate, and now you can get started with your marketing campaign. Now, for the Super Email Sender, I'm going to give you guys a good overview first off, and then we're going to get started on how to start your campaign. Now on the top, you can see your little toggle bar, and from the first section is your campaign builder, where you can create your campaigns. Then you have a campaign section where you can monitor all of your campaigns. You can view their start times, delivery status, lists, templates, and all of that. After that, you have your list manager. So these are the people that are going to receive your emails. All of that is going to be available over here. And then you have a template section where you're going to create your templates and start, forming a few basic templates like welcome templates, thank you templates, abandoned cart templates if you're running an online store. And then you have a delivery services. So the delivery services are going to indicate that when you're receiving emails from your customers or when you're sending emails, what are the statuses of these emails and who these are from, if they have been replied to, the total amount of mail sent, and all of that. Then you have a tracking service, which is currently not available unless you are a premium user or a premium student. Then you have a sending log where you can monitor all of your inboxes over here, and then you just have a general settings page. Now, once you have a good overview of how everything works, we're going to get started on our first campaign. Now, first off, we're going to go into our lists manager. And over here, we're going to create our first emailing list. So let's just say this is let's say we're running separate websites and we're going to create separate lists for separate websites. So if we have a website for a cooking list, so anyone that has been subscribed to maybe our cooking newsletter or our food related content, you can make a list for that. And then you can click on add over here. And you can add your emails like so individually, or you can import direct lists from over here. You can select a TXT or CSV file and you can start a import. Obviously, this tool is meant for bulk email sending, and I would suggest that you save your contacts in a TXT file and then you can easily import them over here. Now, after that, you also have a editing feature. So if you have any contacts, you can edit them. You can also block, unblock, and delete some contacts from your mailing list. So let's just say we're going to add this name. I'm just going to create this little contact. And now I'm going to click on load contacts to see my contact. Now you can see over here, you can even link the website that they have been subscribed to further categorize and ease your categorization. You can mark them as subscribed or blocked as well. Now, once you have done that, I would suggest that obviously if you're sending bulk emails, that you start off by creating your basic templates, include welcome templates, thank you templates, abandoned cart templates, and then you have coupon templates, so voucher templates. You have a 10% off coupon template that you definitely should create. And then you have a discount voucher, one-time use only template that you should also create. So keep in mind, these are all the basic templates I would suggest that you do create. And this is going to reduce your work overall in the long term once you get started with these templates. But for this video, I'm just going to start with my campaign. And I'm going to market it welcome to our cookbook like so. And now I'm going to monitor my campaign. Now, after you start by creating your campaign, you can see over here, you're going to select which list you want to send this to. So obviously, I'm going to send this to my cooking list. And then I'm going to select a delivery service, which you're going to add from over here. So if you click on delivery services, you can see at the bottom left, this is the add option. And here you can add a SMTP server, you can add a Google API or a Postal API as well. And you're just going to fill in the details, obviously. So I am going to skip my delivery services for now because I haven't set up a specific server for this purpose, but I'm going to get started on my templates. And with my templates, I am just going to get started with our first email. I'm going to name it welcome to our cookbook. Hey everyone. Thanks for joining our newsletter, ... Whatever you want to add, you're just going to keep on adding. And then you can add a few tags as well. And then you can also make sure to URLs. And if you're using a URL for your images, make sure that it is a public URL. So you can add a lot to your emails. On the top, you can see over here, you can open up some images. You can open up some custom fonts. So over here, you can add hyperlinks, you can add images, YouTube videos, columns, tables, all of that. Everything that is available on Word, you can probably add over here. And once you're done with your email, you can also just categorize them like cookbook templates. So I'm gonna add your cookbook templates. And now over here, I have set up my delivery services. So I just added a SMTP server. And what I'm going to do is, you can see in my cookbook templates, you can add templates from the bottom left over here. And you're just going to add whatever templates you want. So let's just say we're going to add a welcome template. Once you do that, you can see now everything is set up. You can go back to your campaign builder. And now on your campaign builder, you're going to select a name for your new campaign. You're going to select the list you want to send it to. Then you're going to select a delivery service for your campaign. And then you can also select a time pause for your emails. On the bottom section over here, you're going to select your template. So right now I haven't refreshed my page, so it's not showing me my templates yet. But I think I'll have to refresh the entire program to see my templates, but you get the idea. And then you can add custom headers only if you are a premium member of the Super Email Sender. So this is how you get started on Email Sender, and you can send bulk emails. This is the greatest functionality that this platform does have, because most email marketing softwares are going to limit you to maybe 250 emails per day. You can send thousands of emails, and if you're sending basic emails that don't require a lot of designing and you don't really care for the design, like you don't want it to be like super hi-fi and you don't want, you know, pop-ups and all that, you just want a simple, neat email to be sent to your thousands of subscribers, then I definitely do think Super Email Sender is a great option. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will catch you guys in the next video.